Are you lazy, sad, depressed, broken, out of motivation, facing failure again and again? Then I suggest you join the CEO Life Network and conquer every obstacle. Learn real-life lessons on entrepreneurship and how to structure and build your net worth. Escape your mental limitations. Don't spend your life being imprisoned by a belief system that limits your potential and prevents your dreams from coming true. You can't move forward with thoughts that hold you back. So stop trying to impress people. Impress yourself. Stretch yourself. Test yourself. Be the best version of you that you can be. Simplify your circle of friends. Keep those who add value to your life and remove those who don't. Less is always more when your less means more. So where do you want to go? We will help you get there. Go join the Business War Room podcast today.